Welcome to this tutorial on how to add or set a stop loss on Robinhood. A comprehensive guide to help you manage your investments effectively. A stop loss is an order that automatically sells a stock when it falls to a certain price, limiting your potential losses. To start, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the stock you want to set a stop loss for. First, tap on the stock to go to its details page. Then, tap on the Trade button and select Sell. Choose the number of shares you want to sell and select Stop Limit as the order type. Now, enter the stop price, which is the price at which you want the stop loss to trigger. Below the stop price, you will see the limit price, which is the price at which the stock will be sold once the stop price is reached. Make sure the limit price is below the stop price for a stop loss order. Review your order and confirm the details before submitting it. It is essential to understand that a stop loss is not a guarantee and may not limit your losses in all situations, such as in volatile markets. Additionally, you can set a stop loss for both long and short positions, but the process may vary slightly. To edit or cancel a stop loss order, go to the Orders page and find the order you want to modify. Tap on the three dots next to it and select Edit or Cancel. Keep in mind that you can only edit or cancel a stop loss order before it is triggered. Best practices for using stop losses include setting a stop loss at a reasonable distance from the current price, regularly reviewing and adjusting your stop losses, and combining stop losses with other risk management strategies. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use stop losses to manage your investments on Robinhood.